let me just explain to the people you're talking to who I am. I'm Emer Cooke. I'm the Executive Director of the European Medicines Agency based in Amsterdam. Now, why am I here at a Life Sciences conference in Krakow? Well, it's because what we would like to see is that life sciences, the products of life sciences, gets translated into medicines that reach patients, and we're involved in the medicines to reach patients side. So we want to make sure that the innovation that happens in the life science industry can translate into medicines that actually get to patients in Europe. Well, I think this is a time when we have to imagine the future, because we're in a time of huge technological developments. The boundaries between medicines, devices, digital solutions are all blurring. So we have to think of new ways of doing things, and for me as a medicines regulator, I have to make sure that we're thinking about the future. We're thinking about how we can use AI safely and effectively, how we can transform our business processes from a digital perspective, and again, how we can make sure that we use this innovation so that it really makes sense and matters for individual patients. I have one message for you at the life sciences community. If you're dealing with medicines development, please come and talk to us at the European Medicines Agency. Please tell us what you're doing. Let us help you, let us understand, describe your challenges, and let's work on solving them together. Fantastic, fantastic. Really an opportunity, an open exchange of views, addressing the challenges and solutions, but really trying to focus on how to translate a vision into reality, and I find that very, very stimulating. Well, unfortunately, I have only managed to get from my hotel to the conference so far, but I'm looking forward to exploring later.
Anything else you'd like to add?
Just a big thank you.